Don't touch your wife.
Make sure say no.
Man, me give am money wey take marry this one and you sack
I
am.
get rights. Come me chief.
My people, on know as they be, on know as they go. I don't come see Chika and the wife this morning. Wait, Chika, first of all, before I start, hope you guys slept well. Who's on a sleep well?
No, no sleep well. How you go? They ask me whether I sleep well. Why other persons they sleep with my wife? Nobody sleeping with me, please. You dey lie. You go call the man wey you sleep with today. You dey call, let me see.
Madam, you have to call chief so that your husband will know say truly not the truth you
But I'm
tell
not
her.
cheating. I'm not cheating.
Call him and tell chief to
call him. I go soon beat you again. I go see him. He hit you again. What's this woman? Call that useless idiot. Good for nothing man wey dey cheat on.
Put it on speaker.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is not reachable at the moment. Please
try another number wey you take dey call am. Una know so take dey meet una sef. Try another number. He must go today. I must see him today.
Try it again now.
Try it again.
You can't see it again.
Now you want to dodge. Now you know what you.
That's the number now.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see the play by you.
No. Leave am.
The number they say make I call the number.
It is I know. I know. I don't see say they cheat on me. She must call the man.
Is it ringing?
Hello?
Is it on speaker?
It's on speaker. Hello, Chief.
Cut it and call him again.
You don't want to talk again. You don't want to talk again. You be a boyfriend. Right?
I've been a network. Maybe in a network. I'm not believe in a network.
I don't believe in a network.
Okay, she ringing. Wait.
Hello, Chief.
Hello.
Hello, Chief. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Julie. My Julie baby.
Chief.
Julie, how are you now?
Chief, I'm fine, sir.
My Julie has called Chief. Oh, my Julie has called Chief.
Chief.
Julie.
Chief, calm down. Chief, I want to see you.
My Julie wants to wait. You say you want to see me? Hey, Julie, you know what I have done for Julie? Julie have never called me to say want to see me.
Chief, it's not like that. You know I'm married.
No, leave that thing you are saying. This is what you have been telling me since. Because of you, I thank your husband from work. Because of you, I open shop for you. You never did that after my son. I have been in hotel many times. Call you. You will not come and see me.
Chief, I've not had time.
Okay, what will happen now is I want you to choose a hotel of your choice. Any way you want.
Okay. Right now, I'm at Ebekwe Hotel.
Okay, just ask any room you like. Just be there. Ask them, eat anything you want. I make what to the start.
Okay.
It's me, Mr. Peterson, talking to you. You shouldn't be afraid. You know what I can
Chief.
do. Just prepare everything. I am coming.
Please come now, Chief. You know my children are at home. I need to go back and attend to them, Chief.
Don't worry. Today you want to give it to me.
Chief.
I will do everything.
Chief, later now. Not be everything we will talk for phone. Chief, later.
Don't worry.
Your wife, she's saying the truth. You hear the conversation between him and
I hear everything.
So, we'll wait now. Let Chief consider now. Let's wait for Chief.
Let me see.
Yes.
Now tell Chief say you did downstairs. No, they make you wait for you for downstairs. You are coming downstairs. Say that you are coming downstairs.
Hello, Chief. Chief. You kept me waiting now. Where you dey?
Don't worry. I don't waste time. I'm downstairs right now. Which room are you? So I will come and I will start the good thing. I don't want to waste your time. So where are you now?
Chief, wait for me. I'm coming. I'll come and pick you downstairs. I'm coming.
Oh yeah. My body is hot. Just be fast.
Chika, now that anger with your brother, now you go fight. Now you go use that anger. So I don't already plant camera downstairs. So they'll take everything.
Go back. What's wrong with you? What's going on? You, so set me up. You get him. I'm feeding you every day. Because of you. I give you work. And you. Okay, look at them. How give people. You set me up.
You want to show that person marriage?
You will hear from my lawyer. You will collect. You destroy my family. You go to jail. You go to jail. Stop my wife. You called me here. Just embarrass me. And look at you here watching. You're not doing anything.
That person married, Abi. This man wants to show that person.
Don't leave me. You're not going to leave me.
You're not going anywhere. You. When I knock that gate, don't touch your wife.
Make sure you lock back.
I will lock you up. They will lock you up. Don't know me. You came back to push me. You don't do that. I will set me up. Come on, me, chief. I'm coming there. Say man, what is your own? As much as I set me up, you come in here. And you that I employ, I give you food, I feed your family. I give your wife job. Ask her, who opened that job? I don't be. Now you know you sleep with them. Say you sleep with them. Ask you to sleep with me. You get money. And you don't say anything. I don't even know.
But I understand you. Why you walk? Why? Because you
can't sleep for jet today. No, you don't sleep for jet today. You. Even you.
But Chika, wait now. Let's hear from Chief first. But Chief, why you want to scatter their marriage?
Me scatter their marriage?
Because you get money. You want to oppress.
Oppress what? See, if you get money, you can do anything. See, I am the man who employed this man. I need to give money to take money this one.
And you sack him.
I get rights. And nobody will stop me. Who opened the shop?
You see this like? You say this man get money. They talk with authority. You won't knock another man's wife. Even they talk say you will lock the man up because you have money.
Hello? Where you get man? You get man to beat me.
I go still slap you. You don't do anything. You don't beat my wife. You see the shot of me.
You not sleep for there today. Call me back.
You don't threaten me.
You will not sleep for there today.
You don't threaten me.
Call me back. You want for me. I don't know you when you come marry this woman. Me. I want help you.
Chika, don't worry. Chief said call police. You call police, me I will call army. No problem. Call police, me I will call army. You say you get connection. No, Chika, we'll settle this matter. You want call police, Abi? Call police, chief. Call police. Call army.
You go home. You buy it for food.
Because you get money, Abi.
You must beg me, call on me. If you don't sleep for a jet today, call me bastard. I'm the talker. You don't call me. Hello, please, I need to go to your guys.
Chief, I'm sorry.
Please, yes.
Not here. Don't be scared.
They take away everything, my phone, everything.
Call police,
Everything I have.
If they lie, thank God people if they lie put over.
I can't move on. Please, I want to get to go.
If they lie put for our head, say they will we collect our phone, we collect everything. Thank God there's a video and evidence is here, so there's nothing you can do. If you like it back from today till tomorrow.
Make I hear say.
If police come, we'll show them this record.
Officer, he's still here making noise, threatening me.
Me.
Hey now.
Don't worry. Near me. I go show you. Near me.
You don't want to from me.
Near me.
You get my wife.
Near me. The Chris.